Dati kasi kapag mababangga ako, like, take me now.
Do it, I dare you.
Yeah. Meron kasi yung time na muntikan akong malunod dati sa beach. Nag-swimming kami, but at that time, I was super depressed. Tapos, as in, inaanod na ako palayo sa shore nung ano. Tapos, nalulunod na ako and everything. I stayed there. Like, as in, gumano na ako. I woke up, nagising na lang ako, nasa surfboard ako ng surfer. Because they were trying to save me. I was stuck in the idea before of unaliving. Kasi, when I was a kid, I was really, really sad, depressed. And alam mo yun, parang wala akong motivation to do anything in life. I was stuck, wala akong mapupuntahan, sobrang baba ng tingin ko sa sarili ko, and everything. But now, nung nakita ko na I moved past that, nakita ko na everything does get better over time. Like, it doesn't take like a day or two. It takes years, months, or even lots of hardships before you even get to that point. Ngayon, takot na ako sa idea na yun. Like, I wanna be healthier now.